Hello, today I'm going to show you how to track your steps on the Apple Watch. So today in front of me is the Apple Watch SE, and it's going to work on the all Apple Watches because it doesn't matter what Apple Watch do you have, it is going to look the same and work the same as on the all Apple Watches, all the other than SE. So if you want to track your steps, the Apple Watch is going to do it by itself, and autofocus, okay. And if you want to see how many steps you did on the previous day, on the day right now, you want to go to the rings. I have it on the screen right now. You're just going to press it, but if you don't have it on your main watch face, you are going to go you want to go to the apps by pressing the digital crown, and now find the rings button. It shows you all the rings that you have, and this means the red one is the calories you had burned through the day. The exercise, how many minutes did you exercise through the day, and also you can set the goals of how many calories you want to burn through the day and to set your goals. So as you can see now, I have burned the 24 calories from the start of the day, and the ring is going to fill up. The red one is going to fill up as I'm going to burn more calories through the day. If you're going to set up, for example, I don't know, 5,000 calories, the ring is going to fill up significantly slower. If you are going to set about 500 calories per day, it's going to move significantly faster. So if you want to track your steps, you want to go down to the steps, and as you can see, I have done 304 steps today. And also you can check how many steps you did on the today on the watch app. So let's go to the watch app on our iPhone. And sorry, not to the watch app, never mind. Let's go to the health app. We have it like here, and now you can check how many steps you did on the day, and also you can track how many steps you did, for example, yesterday and all the days, as you can see on the history, even some years if you have. For example, at September 2022, the average on September was 302 steps, because this is a test one, so nobody works with it. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope it helped. If it did, please hit subscribe and hit a like. Bye.